Hey Sam! You won't believe what happened at the factory yesterday.
Oh please, not another story about your magical manufacturing intelligence hardware.
But Sam, it's amazing. My new KnowNow hardware is a game changer.
Yeah, go on.
So, we were having a production glitch, right? The machines were acting up, and everyone was running around like headless chickens.
Sounds like a typical day at the factory.
So, I just tapped into my KnowNow system, analyzed the data and pinpointed the issue within seconds.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
But it gets better. I was able to pinpoint the time that it started so we didn't have to inspect all the product.
Oh, really? You're like the superhero of the production line now?
You bet. I've got this covered thanks to KnowNow.
Alright, tell me, what did you do before your magical hardware?
Well, we would spend hours analyzing unreliable handwritten sheets and looking in all the wrong places. It was a nightmare.
So, what you're saying is your KnowNow hardware is just a fancy replacement for good old hard work and a few extra cups of coffee. I think I'll stick to my spreadsheets and endless meetings, thank you very much. I've been doing this for years and it's been just fine.
Fair enough. But I promise you, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.
Well, until then, I'll be the old school production manager, getting things done the hard way.
Work smarter and not harder to get on top of your production performance with KnowNow's accurate real-time data and easy reporting interface and pave the way to your manufacturing success. Contact us now to get KnowNow manufacturing intelligence hardware installed in your factory.